days, keeping us healthy and keeping us keeping on. And we are so thankful for everything that you do for us, Lord Jesus.
Really? Who's that?
Hi, Bob.
Hello.
Who's that?
There you go, bud.
You good?
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
A chocolate.
Oh, you poor thing.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly bitch.
Do you have a towel? Oh, yeah.
Yo, I'm really sorry, okay?
What is wrong with you? Why are you blue?
Are you okay?
Oh Lord have mercy. Oh,
Like chemicals in here.
Trying to capture a nice moment of the police horses, and am quickly reminded I own a psychopath.
pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
We cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
You jumped over these double baked.
Pav, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi!
Hi.
He just wrapped himself.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you have to say about that?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait. Wait.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Okay. Oh, Finley.
Here you go.
Look what we did. Something off your list. Reggie, watch out! Waffles, quit trying to kill Reggie. He's too fat to run from you.
No.
The door is here.
What?
Okay, dude.
I'm really sorry that I moved. I'm really, really sorry that I moved my arm. Please forgive me. Chicken. I'm so sorry.
Scheme. Yeah. Right there. Scheme.
Look, see? It's alright. It's all good. Parkour! Michael, parkour! Extreme! Oh, come on, it's good. Man, shut your...
Claire!
You came out of my vagina. My son.
I don't know, maybe it's just
Mila! Mila! Mila!
Y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Touch. Touch. Good girl. Touch.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Grab one, but just one. Just one. You can do it. There you go.
Reggie, say hi. Say hi.
I'll fight you for it.
I just got this. First time cat owner here. Why didn't anybody tell me that living with a cat was like living with a permanent jump scare? What do you mean I'm afraid to sit on my couch because something might come get me?
You're coming home with me.
My Lord, a snapping turlock.
Two ends. There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
Oh, Sam.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Can you get off my desk? Can you remove yourself before I
Hi guys, this is Garfield, and he likes to lay on a Domino's box, and I just keep kicking him off the counter, but he still goes on the goddamn counter. Like, I don't know how to get him off the goddamn counter. Like, look at him. Oh, big yawn.
Come in! Who's here? Who is that? Danica, sit. Oh, God. Well, at least we know who the protector of the house is.
Let's see.
Eeny, meeny, miny.
Hi, TJ.
Hey, Peas? Peas. Do you want to go home?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My dog forgot my brother-in-law walked in.
Wicket. Viens, mon bébé. Viens. Eh, viens. Eh, viens, mon bébé. Attends, tu viens? Eh, viens, mon bébé. Ouais. Ouais, c'est un peu galère, c'est un peu galère. Ah, oula, 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 oula.
Yo, Squirrel, you were in the pumpkin. It's like rotten. Oh my god. That thing's got to be fermented. Look at him. Look, his ears are all tucked back. He's all wet. What?
Someone is not happy about the newest additions to the house.
Did you do this? Did you dig in the trash? Who did this? Did you do this?
Ollie, look at me. What are you doing?
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
She walks out the house, she walks into the street, she doesn't even look where she's going. And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck.
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Me. Also this drawer.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
Oh my.
What is it?
You son of a bitch, I'm in.
Just jump, try it.
Did I get it?
No. Put that nose back in there. Stop that. No.
I was just about to put the dishwasher on, open the tab and put it in, and push the tray closed. And look who's in the dishwasher. I almost closed it on him. Get out, buddy. Do you have food on your face? Out. Get out. Thank you.
Tom.
Oh.
I know that like everybody wants like a cuddly cat, but like if I don't cuddle him like 6 hours every day, he will poop on something. Like literally, if I don't cuddle him every day, he will poop. If I do cuddle, he doesn't.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
She walks out the house, she walks into the street, she doesn't even look where she's going. And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck.
Who could that? Uh-huh. May I help you?
Buddy!
Amore. Ciao bambino. Ciao patato. Ciao. Dai, andiamo a casa. Andiamo a casa, andiamo a casa. Andiamo a casa, dai.
Listen, Gary. I like you. But if you want that corner office, you're gonna have to show me blank. Pick a card. Them titties.
None of you are ready for what a pigeon sounds like with this filter. What are you eating?
Stop. Can you not? Please?
Oh my goodness. What are you doing?
Aspen, the outside button stays inside.
Outside.
No. Aspen.
Outside.
My dog took anxiety medicine for the first time, and this was her reaction.
Because normally she will be getting mad and barking at me.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
Did you have something you wanted to say to the people? Oh. Damn, why you gotta take him down like that? Poor Yobi.
Do you see how this poor, dumb orange baby looks like he is soaking wet? Do you know what happened to him? This one is his favorite cat to groom, and if I am not careful sometimes, he will just pin this cat and groom him head to toe until he is soaking wet. And the cat does not protest, so half the time I don't notice because he just lays there and takes it.
I got it.
Hey, it's okay.
I know you're mad. But you're gonna learn to get along, both of you. Understand?